Your new Renault Clio, depending on the size of the wheel rims that you have chosen, is fitted with either a spare wheel or a tire inflation kit to allow you to move off again in the event of a puncture. To be able to carry out a repair with the tire inflation kit, the gash must not be on the sidewall of the tire and must be less than 4 mm on the tire tread. Important: the tire inflation kit provides a temporary repair by allowing you to plug and reinflate a punctured tire. Before using the tire inflation kit, park your vehicle away from the traffic, turn on your hazard warning lights, and do not forget to apply your parking brake. For safety reasons, if you have to remain at the roadside, it is essential to warn other road users by means of a warning triangle or any other system that is in force in the country where you are driving. Retrieve the kit from the boot. To assist you, refer to the information present on the compressor of the tire inflation kit. Depending on the model, connect the bottle inflation adapter to the valve of your wheel. Then, connect or screw the compressor pipe to the bottle. And finally, connect the electric power cable to the accessory socket. Note the tire pressure indicated on the driver's door frame. Start the engine, then start the compressor until it reaches this pressure. If after 15 minutes a minimum pressure of 1.8 bar has not been reached, the repair is not possible. On the other hand, if the recommended pressure has been exceeded, press this button to reduce it. Stow the kit, then drive at between 12 and 37 miles per hour or 20 and 60 kilometers per hour so that the product is distributed uniformly in the tire. After 2 miles or 3 kilometers of driving, stop to check the pressure. If the pressure is higher than 1.3 bar but lower than that recommended, adjust it again. Otherwise, the repair is not possible. In this case, contact a Renault representative. Important: this repair is temporary. It will allow you to drive at a maximum speed of 50 miles per hour or 80 kilometers per hour and travel a distance of no more than 124 miles or 200 kilometers. It is essential to have your tire repaired or replaced by a professional as soon as possible. If your vehicle is not fitted with a tire inflation kit but with a spare wheel, in the event of a puncture, park away from the traffic on level, non-slippery and stable ground. Apply the parking brake and engage a gear. Place the lever at P if your vehicle has an automatic gearbox. If parking at the roadside, do not forget to warn other road users of your presence with the warning triangle. To access the spare wheel, remove the mobile floor and the boot carpet. You can take to the road again. However, please take care not to exceed the speed indicated by the label placed on the wheel. This wheel is temporary. You should replace it as soon as possible. Happy driving with new Renault Clio.